Hello, ladies and germs. Welcome to the long-awaited fifth installment of Cooking with Chet. Cooking with Chet 5. Thank you for almost 20,000 followers on Instagram. I'm in deep honor to you. My lieges. Just kidding, you are my followers. Anyways, today we're going to be cooking Fettuccine Alfredo with some wonderful asparagus. Something that will get us through these sickening times. So I'm going to put the pasta, which has been laid out beforehand for the first time, that's right folks, we're getting modern, into the now boiling water, which boiled as I was talking. Great timing. That's what lifting does, folks. I couldn't have done that during the first video when I was 13. Hot water on my hands, I don't care. So if you come in here, we are going to be plating for Tony, who is actually vegetarian, so he's just going to be rating the aesthetics of the plate before I eat it. Everyone say hi to Tony. Let me show us some of our ingredients here. Olive oil for sauteing these asparagus, some butter, because butter and olive oil are always good. Half a cup of butter, half a cup of light cream, some sea salt, which is, well, you're going to put some in the water too, just a little bit, because we're the boiling water, and light cream, so 1/2 cup light cream, 1 dash pepper. We're going to add some smoked paprika as well. That's probably from 2005. And I think that's about it. So let's stir this pasta, this wet ass pasta, and we can get going. Also, before we leave, shout out to Penny, who inspired me to make this, and shout out to Ben, who turns 18 today. Congratulations, Ben. Go buy a lottery ticket. We're at a very important point. We no longer need to boil this pasta. And,
I am talking over the video so you don't hear a disgusting belch
time for the big
taken by my brother.
Ooh, just like Mount Vesuvius. Or the Titanic boiler room when the water first came in. And now we let that wait and sit. Turn the heat off so we don't get carbon monoxide poisoning and die. Let's come here. So we put the rear on low heat. So we have the butter in. Come here, come closer. You have the butter in. Now we need 1/2 cup butter, 1/2 cup light cream. That looks a little high, but about right. And we wait for that to melt to add. It's actually Pecorino Romano, not Parmesan, because Pecorino is better. And melt butter and cream in saucepan. 1 cup of Parmesan. So I think pretty much all of this. That's about 1 cup of Parmesan. 1 cup of Parmesan coming right up. 1/4 teaspoon salt. That's not that much. I think we might even need less. Just put that in there. And the pepper we're actually going to need. So as that starts, we should get this on high heat. These asparagus on high. Put in some of that olive oil. My brother, who's recording this, tells me that all olive oil from Italy is switched out by the mafia with shitty olive oil, and that it's all bad.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You should get it from California.
That's what I said.
I don't know.
It's true, it's switched out by the mafia.
Too much talk. But yes, that's our olive oil consultant. It's gonna make it better. Believe me, that's gonna make it better. Same with the paprika that I'm also going to add after I get these little hot ones in. That was an open flame. Set the timer for 5 minutes. Let's use God's timer, the clock. It's actually going to be a problem. Okay, I know what 5 minutes looks like. Just until these fellows are tender. These are cooking nicely. These cook quick. So, we can probably let's put in the paprika, and then we can take an interlude, since you know all of the ingredients. Still too much paprika? And a little. That's about as much as we need. Well, let's add the pepper at the same time, which is right here. Might be too much, might be too little. We don't know. Sometimes you just gotta wing it. Like right now with this. These will be tender very quickly. I cut them to a well-endowed 2 inches each, so they're better to eat with the pasta. So, when we're plating it, we'll be back. Hopefully it doesn't taste burnt. I did do it on mid-low heat, and that is also done after a nice 5 minutes. Let's do one last lemon zest. Even on that, yeah. So we're gonna actually mix it directly in the pan back here. Lovely sound. Noodles in the pot. And we'll mix them in the pot, and then we'll serve them out of the pot. Mix it here to prevent messes. Unlike our government in Washington, which never prevents messes. Sauce in. Take a look at this. The mix. Beautiful. Time to go get those little treasures.
Oh, how rustic. Can't wait to eat this.
And can't wait to clean up all this. Let's mix it. And after that, I'll show you how it... Oh wow, that's looking great already. I mixed this. Hard work. All right, I think we're done. Yeah, we're done.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
Hello, Tony. I see we have some asparagus and Alfredo tonight. I hope that you find it very aesthetically pleasing. I hope to have made as much noise as possible on that first bite, and then I enjoy it alone. Could be the best meal I've had on this show, could be the worst. A lot on the line here, folks, as Chet goes in for the bite of his own food. The asparagus provides a really good mixture to it. It's a little salty, but the asparagus really gives the food a big boost. Thank you for watching Cooking with Chet, Part 5.